Hello friends, today's topic, big crash in mid-cap and small-cap stocks. Three reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is the financial education of the society. Today was a negative day for the Indian stock markets. Although large cap stocks did not fall much, mid and small cap indices fell heavily. This is a much needed correction since especially the small cap rally was huge in the last few months. Market performance today, Nifty 50 fell by 0.76%, Nifty mid cap 100 minus 2.48% and Nifty small cap 100 minus 4.01%. However, the individual stocks in the small cap index fell more heavily. The main reasons for the crash in the small cap index are: number one, profit booking. After a huge rally of 68% in the last 1 year, most of the small cap stocks have entered the overbought zone and had been valued very high. So the investors must be profit booking to ensure that they book majority of their gains before further weakness. 2. Massive selling in PSU, railway and defense stocks. Huge fall in popular railway stocks today as well as in the public sector banking stocks. Most of these stocks are part of the small cap index. Public sector banking, railway and defense stocks had performed very well in the last few months. Many of these stocks did not report good results and hence it was disappointing for investors. Here is the statistics of public sector banking stocks crashed today. IOB crashed by 9.99%, Bank of Maharashtra minus 9.91%, Central Bank 11.91% down, IDBI Bank minus 6.69%, Bank of India minus 6.63%, Canara Bank minus 4.6%, Bank of Baroda minus 3.45%, SBI minus 2.52%. Going further, defense stocks fall today. HAL minus 4.16%, Cochin Shipyard minus 7.54% today, Bharat Forge minus 13.92% today, BEL minus 3.13%, Paros Defense minus 8.10%, Bharat Dynamics minus 10.99%. So you can see that even though the small cap index fell by 3% today, individual stocks have fallen between 3 to 14%. This correction is still very minimal compared to the huge rally in the last 1 year. Hence, there is scope for further correction in the coming weeks and months. Third reason, less liquidity in small cap stocks. Small cap stocks are generally less liquid than large cap stocks. Hence, if the selling starts, it is very difficult to stop it since there is insufficient buyers. This also makes small cap stocks highly volatile. If your portfolio has a good percentage of small cap stocks, your portfolio value would have gone up significantly in the last few months, but also fallen a lot in the last 1 week or so. Many investors cannot face such volatility in their portfolio. This is why it is generally better to have limited exposure to small cap stocks. Regular corrections are very important for the health of the markets. If there is a continuous rally without corrections, then stocks become extremely overbought and then corrections will be more significant and scary for investors. Here is an announcement regarding our YouTube live session. ಮೊದಲು ಮನೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಶೇರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ ಹೂಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಕೇಳಿ. Happening on tomorrow 13 February Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. YouTube live in the same channel. Please attend without fail and also bring in your friends. At the end of the video, here is the question. Did you invest some money for long term today? Yes or no? You may type. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.